Hi everyone, it's Roy. I'm here at the Lurie Garden and the staff is busy cutting back, and I'd like to introduce you to Laura and she'll introduce herself to you.
Hey Roy, I'm Laura Ekasetya, Director at Lurie Garden. So we're out here in Millennium Park in downtown Chicago, and we are managing the cutback of the garden in a way that supports native bees. So a large part of the garden, we leave the plants up through the winter, of course, because it's beautiful to look at the plants in the winter. The dormant tops of them have gorgeous seed heads, things like that, and so we cut them down to 15 inches. We have these markers so we can remember that height as we're working. And that's the lowest height you can cut the plant down to still support bee habitat. So when the bulbs are coming up in the spring, you don't notice this at all. And so it'll only look like this for a few weeks, and then as things start to come up in the spring, it's not really distracting. And of course the rest of the garden we've cut back all the way to the ground, and all the debris though is left on site. And so the staff that we have out here are all the staff of Lurie Garden, with the exception of our volunteer manager, who I think she's going to be coming back out in a second. But if they want to introduce themselves, I mean, we each have a different role here at the garden. For example, here's Karen.
Karen, if you're close to you so I can hear.
Hi, right. I'm Karen Tyra. I'm the Education Programs Manager here at Lurie Garden, and I manage the over 70 free programs that we do here at Lurie every year, and sometimes I get to be out in the garden.
That's very cool. Okay, let's head this way.
Hi.
Let me get close. You were close.
Real close. Hi, I'm Yadit Sagiyan. I'm the horticulturalist here at Lurie Garden, and I help maintain the garden here.
Okay. I'm wandering around now. Run into this guy.
Hi, I'm Peter Slothauer. I'm GGN horticulturist here at Lurie Garden, and helping take care of the garden as well.
Super. And we have one more stop.
Hi, I'm Joanna Kubiak. I am the Membership and Communications Manager here at Lurie Garden.
Yay.
Yeah. I also get to take a lot of pictures out in the garden too.
That's a good part.
Yeah, it's the best part.
Sharing the visuals.
It's the easiest part, right?
Okay, let's take a look at the cutting that they're all doing together. And I have to say, I've never done this because I never really thought much about insect populations or where they would lay eggs and how they would live. So this is very cool. Alrighty, that's today from Lurie Garden. Have fun, everybody. Bye.